Hello everyone and welcome to the devlog for the GeoJam 2022. This is a jam hosted by Icoso and you're supposed to make a game in 72 hours following a theme and keep the graphics as simple and geometrical as possible. Before I start, I want to mention my wonderful teammates who helped a lot with this game, and without them the game would have been completely different. Anyway, I forgot to record a lot of the beginning of development, so here is where progress stood when I remembered that I needed to make a devlog. So I haven't really been recording at all, but the artist has done a lot of work so far. We already have a nice background, we have quite a few dishes and sides, but I have done a little bit of the programming, so if I just hit play right here, we can see what I have so far. So pretty much it picks 3 random sides and a random main from a list, and I have a scoring system set up and we can see the score of each item if we click on it in the console. So if I clicked on the salad, we get a score of 5, because it matches pretty well. Cheese has a score of 5, and the fries have a score of 5. These are all good sides for a burger. The fries are like the best side possible, so it automatically gives you a 5. I'm gonna probably need to change this scoring system a little bit, so I don't always get 5s, or else the game will be just too easy. So I'm gonna get to work on that. Okay, so I've changed the scoring. This looks a little better, I think. This is the first one I've tested. Tacos. Okay, we're getting better, because, yeah, this is actually accurate now. Yeah, cheese with tomato soup doesn't really make much sense, does it? But salad and fries, I mean salad makes the most sense, but cheese still is pretty good. 1, 4, and 5. Yeah. This makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, this is a lot more accurate. The only 5s you can get are like the instant ones pretty much. I think. Like I got a 0 here, because cheese and fish, meh. But fries and fish is actually okay. I mean, ever heard of fish and chips? So this makes sense. Ham and cheese and salad. Okay, yeah, okay, the scoring system is, I think, in a good place now. This was pretty much the end of the first day, so I made some simple little polish effects like this particle and bounce when you select a dish. And this led to an unintentional feature. Not a bug, a feature. The second day started with me making a transition into the judging phase with some fading and tweening, and I made an outline for the selected side and some post-processing to brighten up the scene. And finally, I added a simple dialogue system for the judges to tell you their scores. I didn't put any actual lines in until the very last minute, so for now it's just numbers. And day 2 wasn't that productive, but day 3 definitely was. Day 3 began with me coming up with the idea that the player should have a little book to show them what mains they have unlocked and combinations they have found that work or don't work. Then I made a simple scene fade panel, which is actually something I've never done in any of my games before, and it looks really nice and wasn't too hard to make. And something all my other games do have is a main menu, so I made one of those pretty quickly with audio, settings, credits, help, and a play button. And lastly, it was time to add the dialogue. Each judge has their own specific character and personality, and 2 are heavily, let's just say, inspired. And with that, it was time to submit the game. There were many issues with the first couple builds, but I got them all sorted out eventually. And overall, this jam was a great experience, and I couldn't have done it without my wonderful teammates, who I'm also going to put in the description, along with a link to the game if you want to try it out for yourself. Well, I think it's about time to end the video, so thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, you may as well subscribe. So I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.